fam, welcome back to my channel. Hope you are doing fine. If you are new in my channel, my name is Timmy and you're welcome to Timmy Best World. For my new subscribers, welcome back once again. Thanks for supporting baby girls always. Thank you so much. In today's video, we are going to fix our ring lights and my camera stand. Is it a tripod? No, I think the hard one is tripod, so it's the one I'm using now. The tripod is the one I'm using now. Please don't mind the background noise and don't mind how my room is so scattered because we are trying to renovate some places in this apartment, and that will be another video entirely. So just for another day. So let's go. Can you guys see that? So this is the ring light. We are going to fix it together. Yeah, let's see if I can fix it. I think I can do it, right? So oh, wow. So this did not come with this stand. I didn't say there will be this stand there. Eh? So now 3 pair there. I just said this thing will do. Let's trace it together now. Let's look how it is. Okay. This one will be down. This one will be up. And this one. Yes. Okay. I'm trying to put this inside, but it's not going to hit. I don't know why. Now I've tried to lose this. Perfect. I have to remove this thing before this one will enter. As I don't even, I want to put some. Okay, you know what? Let's do this. Let's do this way. I tell you, I say I get brain. Not me. I said I have brain. Yeah, so let's switch this back. Okay, you come here. Okay. So this is the controller. Okay, you can do it this way. Give yourself sense. Okay. This is bent. Let me try to fix it straight. I thought it's going to come with this. Thank God that it got me this standing. So let's put this aside. Let's face this. Okay. It's better make una put description here. I'll be cracking brain. I just pray that this issue just long. I pray that it should long go. Eh. No. No. How are they fixing this now? The one I was using before was so short. Thank God I've seen what I'm looking for. Oh, like this is so long, taller than me. Oh, can I show you guys this? Like it's so long. This is what I want. Like, are you kidding me? Say you didn't whine me. Oh, okay. Yeah, this is what I want. Let's put it a little bit shorter. Okay, let's try to fix this. I don't know if it's going to hit down. Yeah. This is not entering. Wait, let's do this way. It's not entering. Oh my God. Oh, go back. I think it's going to work now. They used this to cover it, So I'm trying to remove it. Let's see if it's going to work. No. Yeah, it works perfectly. Yeah. Plug. So let's try with this. Okay. Let me try to turn it on. Whoa! Let's see. What is this? I think it's cool, right? Yeah. Let's check it out. Now I'm using natural lights, like normal sun. So let's check it with let's see with this ring lights. It's different, right? This will be my use during winter because during winter no sun. For now I'll still be using this natural sunshine. Yeah. So I think it's cool. Yeah. So let me turn it off. I want to check if I can use this. Is it tripod? Please, I want to tell me the name of this thing, not the ring light. Oh, I mean the name of this stand. I don't know. Please don't mind the background noise because my room face road. Like see where the cars are passing here. So I want to try it if I can use this without the ring lights. Yeah. Let's remove it. It came with all these tools, so I want to check it out if I can use it without the ring lights. This, I think this is what? Okay, it's going to be this way after I remove this. So it's going to be like this. It's going to be this way. Okay, and this. Come on. So that is it for today. Thank you guys for coming once again. Please don't forget to like, share my videos, and see you guys on my next video. Adios.